Today we're going to read Animals in Winter. This is a nonfiction book, so we're going to learn about real information, what animals really do in the wintertime. As I read this story, I want you thinking about the different animals, what they do in the wintertime, so that you can be ready to pick an animal and draw a picture of how they spend their winters. A sleepy season. Winter is here. Can you feel it? The animals can. Look, the last geese are flying south. Animals slow down. They save their energy. They try to stay warm. Some animals sleep. Mama bear is in her den. She will sleep there all winter. Notice the label on this page. It's showing an arrow that points to the den where the bear sleeps. If you were going to pick a bear to draw, you might put another label on this page and write bear. She wakes to give birth. Look at her cubs. Then she goes back to sleep. A frog rests underwater. He will stay there all winter. How will he breathe? Through his skin. In the fall, this hare was gray. A hare is another name for a rabbit. Now his fur has turned white. He blends in with the snow. I'm thinking, I wonder why this hare turns white in the wintertime. A hungry fox hunts. She does not see the hare. She will look elsewhere. A squirrel sleeps in a leaf nest. She has food stored. She wakes to eat. Then sleeps again. Good night. Here are some animals' winter homes. This is a picture of a den, a hollow tree, an underground burrow, and underwater. Think about which home you might draw and what animal you might put in that home. Make sure you send me your pictures on Seesaw. I can't wait to see them.